Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure responsive images using srcset in sizes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure responsive images using srcset in sizes, start by understanding what srcset is. Srcset allows you to specify different image files for different screen resolutions. Begin by selecting the images you want to use. Make sure these images are optimized for different screen sizes. Next, include the img tag in your HTML. Add the src attribute with a default image that will display if the browser does not support srcset. Now, create the srcset attribute. Inside this attribute, list the image files along with their respective widths. For example, you might use image 500w.jpg 500w, image 1000w.jpg 1000w. This tells the browser to choose the appropriate image based on the screen size. Next, add the sizes attribute to specify how much of the viewport the image will take up. For instance, you might write 100 VW if the image should take the full width on small screens. If it's only 50% on larger screens, you could use 50 VW. The sizes attribute allows the browser to make better decisions, enhancing performance. Once you've added the srcset and sizes attributes, test your implementation. Use developer tools to simulate different devices and screen sizes. Check if the correct images load according to your specifications. Finally, ensure all images are responsive and maintain their aspect ratios. By following these steps, you can effectively configure responsive images using srcset in sizes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.